Hello guys, welcome to another segment of my video tutorial. um in this video I'll be showing you a newly launched site that will be um providing you the opportunity to make money online. So the name of this site is called the Earnersmatas. Earnersmatas is a newly launched. This is just the logo and also the name of the site. So Earnersmatas is a newly launched platform, just like many other earning platforms out there. But I will assure you that this particular one, it's going to be a big advantage and an earning opportunity to so many persons who will be signing up um, for this particular site. So when you sign up, you'll be given a 1,000 naira welcome bonus, and your daily earnings is 300 naira. So this is just the advantage that you'll be getting from this platform. So to register, simply click on the link in the description of this video, and you can also chat me up by dropping a message in the comment section of this video. So the first thing first that you're going to do is to click right there to take you to this particular page like this, where you have to fill your details correctly, then select your country of choice. So, and one thing with this particular site is that no matter the place you are connecting from, no matter the region you're chatting from, no matter the place of your residence, so what you have to do is to simply select your country of choice, so that will suit the place or your location. So these are the tons of places in the world that this website can be accessed from. So regardless of your location, you can simply register and get started. So, and you'll be earning your money monthly. So it's just a monthly subscription plan, but I tell you the advantage you are going to make from this platform is going to be a huge one. So, and the registration fee is just 2,000 naira. So it's just 2,000 naira for 30 days, and when you get registered, you'll be given a bonus of 1,000 naira, and your daily earning is 300 naira. So when you get registered, you have to fill in this form and create, and simply select, mark this by registering you agree to the terms and conditions or terms of use. So, and when you're done clicking on that, you simply create account to take you to the dashboard. So let me simply log in, because I already registered on this platform. So let me show you how it works. So right here, I'm already on my dashboard. As you can see, I'm already on my dashboard. This is just my activation bonus and the earnings I've just gotten from this site. And the site is just the page is just user friendly, so you can actually understand how it works. And so when you're already here, you simply come to this place and click on and click on this three line by the left side of this dashboard. So when you click here, you see many options of what you can do on this particular site. So when you're already on your dashboard, these are the available options of functions that you're going to be using. So the first thing you're going to be doing when you have finally made your payment by purchasing a coupon for activation, so you can simply register for free and get yourself subscribed at any time. So if you have not subscribed, this place that it's written resubscribe will be written subscribe, so that you can be able to click on it and directly get a coupon code for activation and simply activate your account. So, and following this is the withdraw earnings, where you have to withdraw your earnings. and withdrawal setting, such as what you have to input so that you can get your earnings out of this platform. So you can simply click on it. It will take you to a new page where you have to add your bank details. So this is what I've just added as my bank detail, as you can see it over there. So, and the next thing you're going to do is to simply come to this place on daily basis and engage a sponsored post and also share them on your status, such as WhatsApp, Facebook, or Twitter. Those are the places you can likely share your sponsored post after reading them. So when you simply click on sponsored post, it will bring you to a new page where you are going to see a post like this. This is already a new post. So what I have to do is to simply click on this read more. As you can see, it's already brought me to this place. So I have to go through this. I can take my time to read it to know what it is. I can benefit from this latest info. I think it is all about football. So what I have to do next is to simply bring updates here on daily basis about the recent happening around the world. So that is just what the sponsored post is all about. So when I'm done reading, I can simply come to this this share to earn button and simply click on share. Any of these can work. So I've clicked on my Twitter link to take me to this page. I have to tweet. So I'll simply click on this. Depending on your choice of media platform that you want to make use of. So if you're using Twitter, this is what you're going to see when you click on that icon. So when I simply click on tweet, it will tweet and my earning will arrive. So it's already credited in my balance already now. So what I have to do is to simply click on this dashboard. When I go to my dashboard, I'll see the latest increase in my earnings. As you can see, I've already gotten 1,600 naira as my total earnings. So this is what this platform is all about. I can assure you that unlike many other platforms that have been around and so many things have happened, disappointment, the way the owners of the site eventually got away with the money of those who have subscribed. So I assure you that this site is going to last, and there is a confidence that they are here to help people to make money online using their platform. So if you want to register, simply click on the link in the description of this video. Also like, subscribe, and share this video so that many persons or many people can benefit from it. And then as I'll be bringing various earning opportunities on this platform, for that is just basically what I do right here. And also I bring updates on things that can be also helpful to you. So guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification so that YouTube can remind you whenever I drop a new video like this. Thank you for watching.